Are you bored out of your freaking mind? Well, that's all about to change. In this video, I'll show you some of the coolest websites that turn everyday frustrations into laughter, offer a piece of accurate information about your personality, and even let you track sharks across the globe. Get your bookmarks folder ready because by the end of this video, it'll be filled with some amazing websites that are guaranteed to cure your boredom. Let's get started. At first, we have a good movie to watch. This site is a goldmine for movie and TV show enthusiasts who are tired of endlessly scrolling through Netflix. What makes it special? It recommends highly rated, lesser-known gems that you might have missed. And guess what? They've expanded their horizons to TV shows as well. You can easily filter your options. On the left side, you have many platforms to choose from: Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, HBO, and many more. Right below that, you can decide whether you're in the mood for a movie or a TV show. So try a good movie to watch next time you're wondering what to watch. You might just discover your next favorite flick or series. If you find this website cool, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such cool websites. Moving on to our next boredom buster, not always right. Have you ever had one of those days at work where everything just seems to go wrong? This is especially true in sales or retail, where dealing with grumpy customers is part of the job. Well, Not Always Right is the perfect place to solace and share experiences. This website has a collection of stories about people just like you. Some tales are downright hilarious, showcasing the lighter side of customer service. Others are filled with witty comebacks that'll have you cheering. And then some are unnerving, reminding us of the challenges faced in these roles. So if you're looking for a good laugh or commiseration, Not Always Right is the go-to site. Now, let's switch gears and explore something a bit more introspective. Have you ever taken a moment to really understand yourself? 16 Personalities offers you a chance to dive deep into your psyche. If you've got some downtime, why not take their personality test? It's a fascinating way to learn more about yourself and discover which Myers-Briggs personality type resonates with you. As you start the test, you'll face a series of questions. Remember, honesty is key here. Try to steer clear of neutral answers to get the most accurate assessment. Once you're done, the test reveals your unique personality type. And the best part, 16 Personalities is available in 37 languages, making it accessible to a wide audience. Are you curious about what's flying above you? Flightradar24 has you covered. This incredible website offers real-time tracking information for thousands of aircraft around the globe. Simply use your mouse wheel to zoom in on your local area and explore the skies. Click on any aircraft to see its flight path traced on the map. But that's not all. You'll find additional details about the flight on the left pane from its origin to its destination. So whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just looking for a cool way to pass the time, Flightradar24 is a fascinating window into the world of air travel. Need a good laugh? Let's check out the Oatmeal. This popular website is a haven for comic lovers, featuring a hilarious collection of comics and illustrations. Whether you're into pop culture or just looking for a funny take on everyday life, the Oatmeal has something for everyone. As you scroll through the content, you'll find yourself nodding and chuckling at the relatable situations in each strip. It's the perfect way to relax and add a bit of humor to your day. So head over to the Oatmeal next time you need a good laugh and let the chuckles begin. Now, let's spice things up with Supercook. Looking for a semi-productive way to surf the internet without leaving your cozy home? Supercook is your go-to website to cure boredom and ignite culinary creativity. Here's the magic. Simply tell Supercook what ingredients you have in your pantry and fridge, and voila! It presents many recipes you can whip up using just those items. It is a fun way to experiment in the kitchen and a smart way to be thrifty, clean out your fridge, and ensure no food goes to waste. Have you ever thought about tracking sharks in your free time? It might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but let me tell you, it's one of the coolest ways to kill time on the internet. Welcome to the world of OCEARCH Shark Tracker. This fascinating tool by the Marine Research Group allows you to follow tagged sharks, each with their name, as they travel across the globe. Imagine keeping tabs on Rocket, a great white shark, as she explores the vast oceans. You can zoom in on specific locations to see which sharks are visiting and track their movements over the past year. It's thrilling to connect with the natural world and learn more about these magnificent creatures. So if you're looking for an unconventional yet exciting way to cure boredom, try OCEARCH Shark Tracker. Ready for a unique virtual adventure? Let's talk about WindowSwap. This cool website offers a glimpse into everyday life around the globe through someone else's window. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching the sun rise from a cozy apartment in Paris, or unwinding in the evening with a view of the bustling streets of Tokyo. WindowSwap brings these experiences right to your screen. It's a beautiful way to connect with people worldwide and appreciate the simple moments that make up our days. So if you're yearning for a change of scenery, WindowSwap is just a click away. Feeling overwhelmed and need to let off some steam? Say hello to Scream into the Void. This unique website is the perfect outlet for those moments when you just want to scream your frustrations into oblivion. Here's how it works. Simply type in whatever's been bothering you, whether it's work stress, personal challenges, or a bad day. Then hit the button and watch as Scream into the Void loudly vocalizes your typed words, releasing them into the digital ether. Next, we have Patatap. This cool website turns your boredom into a creative symphony of sights and sounds. It's simple yet irresistibly entertaining. All you need to do is tap on your computer's keyboard, and Patatap responds with unique noises and animations. Each key unleashes a different sound and visual, making it a delightful playground for your senses. It's the perfect way to engage in something seemingly pointless but incredibly fun. Let's add rhythm to our list with the internet's most musically gifted feline, Bongo Cat. This adorable virtual cat is not just limited to bongos. It can play various instruments, including the ever-essential cowbell. And as we all know, everything is better with more cowbells. Bongo Cat is a simple yet delightful way to enjoy some music and bring a smile to your face. So if you need a quick pick-me-up, head to Bongo Cat and jam out with this talented kitty. Next, let's tune into Radio Garden, a fascinating website that connects you with live radio stations from across the globe. Imagine spinning a digital globe and landing in any city you choose, then instantly tuning into their local radio. It's like a musical journey around the world from the comfort of your home. You navigate like Google Maps, clicking on cities to explore their radio stations. It's a great way to discover new music, learn about different cultures, and practice language skills. Feeling nostalgic? Let's take a trip down memory lane with You're Getting Old. This website offers a fun and eye-opening perspective on how long you've been roaming this planet. Simply enter your birth date and get ready for a trip through time. Once you've hit go, you'll receive a report filled with fascinating tidbits. Ever wondered how many days old you are? Or is the combined age of two people equal to yours? You're Getting Old has you covered. Plus, it'll tell you the number of candles you've blown out on all your birthday cakes and so much more. Are you in need of a new game to pass the time? Let's talk about 2048, a single-player sliding block puzzle that's both challenging and addictive. In this game, you slide tiles with matching numbers into each other on a grid using the arrow keys. The goal? Combine them to create a tile with the number 2048, but don't be fooled. It's trickier than it sounds. And there you have it, folks, a tour of some of the coolest websites to keep boredom at bay. If you enjoyed this video and found some new favorites to bookmark, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, keep exploring the endless wonders of the internet.